Hey, this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. You'd like to patronize a really good, solid, smaller company, wouldn't you? Well, you know what? Go to sharpensbest.com. Take a look and see all the things that you can purchase from sharpensbest.com. The holidays are coming up. Today's Veterans Day. You might buy something. It'll be a little bit late, but nevertheless, you know what? We got things like this right here. We've got the 4-in-1 tool. Okay, that's got the bottle opener, the fire starter, the two styles of sharpening, and it's also short, compact, pocketable, lightweight, easy to carry. Another lightweight, easy to carry, pocketable. It's got the two styles, the V-notch, the open face. It's about 1/4 of an inch by 1 3/4 by 2 and 1/8 of an inch long. We call that one the rectangle. Then we got the floater. We call it It Floats. Okay, it's a tubular handle that's got the one style of sharpener. It's got a cap on the end here. It's a sealed tubular handle. It floats. You drop it in the water. It'll be about that much to this much, just bobbing along out of the water. I really like this one. I actually really like the floater one. Okay, you can buy that one off the website. Then you got this one here. It's called a Survival Sharpen Fire. It's got a whistle. It's got a fire starter. It's got a storage cavity. It's got the two styles of sharpening. So, okay, it's got a whistle. It's got the fire starter. Use the hard, sharp corner there, like that, to make your fire. And we'll put that back in there like this. And we got a storage cavity up in the head like that. And if my finger goes in there that far, you can put matches, fish hooks, some tinder, Vaseline, cotton balls, dryer lint, some sweet wood to get your sparks going, you know, a fire, things like that. It's about 6 inches long, 3/4 of an inch in diameter. It is also pocketable, but easy to carry. It's got a hole up here that you can attach a lanyard, keychain or something like that, hang it off of your backpack. So that's pretty cool. Then we got the little round guy here. Okay, we call him a poker chip. Or the round one, and it's just got the straight face open line carbide on there. Then we also have the long handle, Brad Buckner, and my phone number on there. It's got the two different styles of sharpening. It's got the V-notch and the open line straight face there, and it's got a hole here for a keychain. It's got the hand finger grips on there like that. Not that you really need to do that. I don't actually do that at all. I hold it more like this. Okay. Go on our website. You know, you can find things like this gold foil. Has some fun stuff. We got some fun stuff on there. Maybe your kids collect coins and things. So anyway, we have these gold foil $100 bills, so they're pretty cool. And there's the back. All right. And then we got the necklace here with the old steer horn and adjustable cloth. Kind of might even be leather. I'm looking in the sun. I can't really tell. Necklace on there, so just some fun stuff to buy. Sharpensbest.com. There's lots of different sharpeners on there. There's some fun things. You know, patronize sharpensbest.com. Help us out a little bit. Christmas is coming. Maybe that's where you get your Christmas presents from. Sharpensbest.com. Brad Buckner, you take care, and I'll see you on sharpensbest.com.